So, I got this, build plate on Amazon because I thought it looked really cool. And apparently, whatever you, print on it, will actually, show onto the plate. And I got another plate because this one is, my nozzle kind of, broke, actually, kind of, like, a couple months ago. And, it kind of scratched up my build plate right there. So then, it still works. I mean, yeah, but it's kind of not grippy no more. And I think the amount of glue I used to make this work is actually really concerning. Let me show you a video. So basically, I just sprayed it. So now time for scraping the glue off. And bro, the amount of glue on this is crazy. And that's just to make the prints work, or else it's not gonna work. I'm not even joking. Okay, first, I think I'm gonna print this keychain. First impressions, it does not want to stick at all. So that didn't work, so I'm gonna print the boat. So the benchy didn't work either, but I think I might be stupid because I forgot to level it. And you're supposed to do that. So, yeah. Finally, it worked. Oh, it's so shiny you can, see, the nozzle head. Oh, that's actually really cool. It's done, so, let's see. Oh, that's, shiny. Ooh, that's cool. So that worked, so I'm gonna, flip it around. And let's put another keychain. Okay, so this is print number 2 on this side. I have to level it again because apparently every time I flip it, I have to level it, but that's fine because it looks really cool. It's done yet again, and let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's kind of shiny, but it's some parts matte as well. I'm not sure you can see that, but yeah, I don't think the camera's picking that up, but it's shiny, but it's also matte, which makes it feel like a really nice texture. So I realized that and this, yeah, these two are the same size. So I'm just gonna unscrew these and put them on here. So I don't need to do stuff. Okay, now this has a handle and this doesn't, since I'm not really using this anymore. It's nice and okay. I may have tried to wipe it. That didn't go so well, so I'm just gonna use water and a towel. So yeah. Overall, I would give this build plate a 9 out of 10. It's really nice and cool. But the reason I didn't give it a 10 out of 10 is because it didn't come with a handle. That's my only pet peeve. But, like, it's actually, like, it was really cheap. I just picked up the cheapest board there. It was, like, 18 bucks. But, so honestly worth it. I just wish they came with a handle. That's all.